rear stand?
That. Because I put petrol on it if it ever fucking lights.
Whoa, that's all I like it. Do you want to do yours now?
You meant to talk.
Yeah, it's the Bonfire Night Special. The shoes are catched. I love that it doesn't look like fire through my camera at all.
This is what you get when shoes give you a blister. I walked for miles and then they give me a big blister, so I'm burning them on Bonfire Night.
For
Ruddy things.
Bonfire Special.
Yeah, this is the Bonfire Night Special.
Commotion of my trainers, it gave me a nasty blister.
Yeah, Dad tried.
Dad, can I film yours?
Yeah, you can't see, but yeah, they're burning. Yours actually looks like a fire. Look at mine. It doesn't. It just doesn't look like a fire. Oh, it does now.
Dad, can I film yours?
Okay. Which way is it coming? I'm standing back here. Okay. It just looks like a sun from the camera with a bit of flames. Just looks like sun, don't it, on the camera?
Take that, poxy shoes.
Sorry about the fireworks in the background. Holy, it's firework night tonight. So what do you expect? And it's bonfire night tonight. It's the same thing.
Bit choky.
I didn't feel mine.
Find out the way to smoke.
Do you normally see? We've got the fire with Dad's boxing shoes, who gave him a nasty blister after mine doesn't.
Can we come away from the smoke, Perry?
I'm over it. It looks like purple on my camera, Dad. Ran.
Can you stop shouting?
Bonfire Night Special. Film it to the end. Why are you standing right where the smoke is blowing? No, it's blowing up. It is. You can get fireworks in the background. It's the 5th of November today, isn't it?
Harley, come over here.
Mine looks purple. Mine just looks like I'm filming someone trying to weld. This big bright light. Dad, mine's purple. And brownie. Purple and brown. Sorry, it's orange and yellow, but it's purple and brown on my camera. Dad, if you breathe through your coat, it's silver.
Well, you want a tripod? You got a tripod for your phone, haven't you?
You don't look right, no, it's perfect.
Get off the grass, you idiot. It's wet.
I'm on my shoe.
I know you are.
Look, and it's feeling purple.
Oh, and that's the end of the video because I'm bored of waiting.